Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to link text boxes in Microsoft Publisher 2016. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to link text box. Click the text box. Then go to the Insert menu. Then click the bookmark option. Then write the bookmark. Now I write text box. Then click add. Then go to the select the text and click link. Then go to the page in this document. Then click the text box. Then click OK. Then press Ctrl and press this link option and go to the text box. Now we can see we linked the text box in this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.